Just received HomePod Mini. Now unboxing it. This is the bill, invoice, and that is the box. Now opening it for the very first time. This is my first iPod Mini. This is a mini HomePod. Now this is the HomePod Mini, the white one. Unboxing it, unwrapping it first of all. Now this is the HomePod Mini. It's okay in size, not too big, not too small. What's inside? The cable attached to it is this C port, and what's inside is the HomePod Mini manual and charger, mini charger. That's it. Now we will unwrap it. Now we will connect it with the USB, and now we will check the demo of this. It has started working inside. Sound has started.